Now I'm ready to make the little pockets. These are made by squares which are folded along the diagonal and pressed. I take my unit that I've already assembled, and these triangles go like this. Make sure that they just touch the inside of my centre square. You'll notice that they overlap a little bit here. That's because we're going to need a seam allowance at the side. That's ready now for me to machine tack all around the outside. You'll notice I've pinned carefully on where those intersections are at the side to make sure that they stay put. And all I'm going to do is make my stitch length extra long, and I'm going to stitch right along the very edge. That's inside where the seam line will be eventually. Go carefully when I reach the crossover point, and if I need to, just hold that firmly in place. Oh, that's flipped. Turn around at the corner. Again, just take care at this crossover point. Remember, you're stitching very near the edge because that means that you won't need to take this tacking out when you do the proper seam.